Kami ngayon sa Sofitel, Manila. Dito kami ngayon ni Lace for the French month offering si Sofitel. May launching eh. So, punta kami ngayon sa Davao room to check out what's the buzz about the French month ng Sofitel. Ganda. Ito na lang ako magkasalamin kaysa lalaban ng CR. Medyo na libreng blower ako dun sa loob ng FX, ng van kanina. Okay naman, hindi na kailangan mag-gel. Ba ako? Sakto lang. Okay naman. Okay, yun na. Yan sila. Cheers.
This one, it's shaped like a mountain, and at the bottom you don't have any tree.
Si Bayaw. Bayaw. International level na si Bayaw. Sa phone na nga lang ako nag-video vlog eh.
Yun, no?
Yun, no?
Video vlog. Mga malulupit na vloggers to ng Pilipinas.
Si Bayaw. Bayaw pa din. Hello.
Ano yung YouTube channel?
Wala akong... May hindi updated.
Instagram lang ako kumikita.
So, ang daming video vloggers dito. Hindi ako makagalaw. Hindi ako makagalaw. So, ito ay cheese. Isang katerbang cheese. So, hindi ko alam dito kung ano yung masarap. Pero, blue cheese pa rin yung favorite ko. But, may isa pa akong trip dito. Sa Sofitel ko lang siya kinakain. Hindi ko maalala. Basta para siyang ganito. Parang ganun.
There will be a cheese expert later on
Oo.
to teach us the best cheese to pair with what wine. Yeah.
Anong pangalan nyo?
Huh?
Pangalan nyo? Parang
Inday.
ganda naman ni Inday mo. Pwede ba mag-propose dito?
Lepisky, which I brought with me over 200 different kind of cheese, like Tony said, and I wish that I can share my passion with you and that you try the most of them. I have to make a special mention to Chef Dennis Vecchiato. I will be cooking with him on Thursday, so the day after tomorrow, and
out of the 210 that you actually had to fly in, it was in your briefcase. You hadn't carried everything, right? And it's all on display. Kidding. But yes, let's all make sure we have room to try those amazing 10 must-tries. But wait, we have more. Colin mentioned that he's here not just to showcase the amazing variety of cheeses, but there will be our guest also in the back. And after which, we invite you all to lunch at Spiral. Yes, you can help yourselves to lunch at Spiral after first checking out.
Some fire from the meat.
Ito yung cheese. Tayo na stick at maliit na bread. And sana mabilis lumamig. Kumusta? Malamig na kagad? Okay. Testing ko muna. Here we go! Oh my God! Sabi sa chocolate siya. Normally chocolate sa iba. I love the cheese. Go, Jan! Malamig na siya, malamig na siya.
Mainit eh.
Hindi, malamig na siya. Di ba? Cheers, 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 cheers. Cheers. Go, Enzo. Tikman mo na.
Balikan mo yung nasa right.
Oo, talaga.
Yung nasa right.
Nasa right ha. Kaso wala eh. Left pala, left. Ihulog mo na. Ayun na. Iyon no. How was it? Sestrobon. Tama ba? Sestrobon.
But you can the red, but honestly, for myself, I'd rather not. That's why. Because it brings, it hides the taste of the
Let's spiral.
Ano problema ko? Hindi ako maka-cheese. I love cheese but hindi ako cheese expert. I love 3 kinds of cheese. Cheddar, Parmesan, Brie, and blue cheese.
Brie is
so,
nice.
4 cheese. Well, meron tayong goat cheese, so 5. So, yun lang. Davao cheese, 6. So, yun lang yung mga alam ko. Sobrang dami kasing cheese. Well, it's a good experience dito sa Sofitel dahil meron silang cheese room. Kung gusto mong mag-explore, mag-experience, pumunta kayo sa Spiral and then you can have a cheese experience dun sa loob ng cheese room nila.
Marami silang cheese.
Marami silang cheese. Sobrang dami. So, punta tayo doon. Kakain tayo. 200 plus yun. Wow.
Sunday evening. I want to go back to my church.
So, ang masaya dito, kainan na sa Spiral! Let's check out the European section, European Atelier. And we have here
Mr. Gemma.
Mr. Villanueva. Sebrochoche. Muy bien, muy bien. Tayo sa kabila, European. So ito yung sasabi naming cheese room. 200 plus of cheese. At pag pumasok ka dyan ay napakabango, grabe. Control yung temperature dyan. Ito yung French stove atelier. Ito yung aking favorite photo. And this is it. Ito. Tartiflette. Sarap yan. Grabe. So, see you in a bit. Sarap. This is our second plate na for Spiral. Ano kukunin mo? Japanese na? Siyempre, salmon.
Gawan mo ko. Magaling ka dyan. Si Alvin, magaling to si Alvin. Mas magaling. Ayaw ko na mag-isip, kaya pinapagawa ko na lang siya.
Ano, lalagyan na olive.
na, sama ka na. Okay, isa na. 1, 2, 3. Sabay tanggal ng music, no?
Repeat. Dito sa consonant.
Okay, ulit. Repeat. Puro repeat ah.
Start.
3, 2, 1.
Mag-hi ka. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby if you need a friend. I just want to give you love. Come on. Reaching out to you, so take a chance. No matter where you go, you're not alone. Enzo!
Kamusta ako dyan?
Hindi mabasa.
Darling,
It's your turn.
Superman.